Hey guys, and welcome back to your girl Brittany. And in today's video I wanted to show off a few little projects, some Valentine projects that I did using some of the dyes, or using the dyes from Craspire. And as a reminder, I did do a unboxing video, and so I'll have that linked for you so you can go back to see everything that I got. So I did get some wax melts. I'll come back in another video kind of just showing like how those turned out. I did do a project share showing like some of the colors I played with and things like that, and then I'll come back with a video of like packaging and all of that other fun jazz. And so today I did play with the gnomes and the bows. You guys know I love my bows, and so we're gonna go ahead and get into that. But before we do, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on my future videos, as well as like and share as well. So let's go ahead and dive in, folks. So as you see, I played with the gnomes dyes. It also had like these little accessory pieces with it as well. I have the bows, and I have this bow. So I want to go ahead and show you guys some things that I did. And so first off, we have this bow here, and this is kind of how those turned out. I think these turned out super cute. Oh, I forgot to put a center in that one. But like this one, I just did like just the bow and the tail itself. This one, I did a double, but I left the flaps apart on that. So that turned out really, really cute. And then here, like mixing up the colors on that one. And then this one, I did a double bow, but I added foam between so it doesn't lift or anything. It's just a little bit thicker, a little bit more sturdier. So I think this turned out super, super cute. So that is using that bow die as well as like the flower accessories that it came with. And then we have these other bows here. So we have this fun little loopy bow, and then this comes out like that. So really, really cute. And then this one here, you can actually layer on top of one another, and so that is what I did for this one here. So I used this little printed acetate one, and then I did the foil over that one. And then here, this one's a smaller bow of this one, so I did like a little double layer here, so I have like the scallop and then the smaller bow on top of that. So as you can see, it doesn't come with tails, these are just the bows. And then show you a few of the gnomes that I did. So look at them, aren't they so cute? Aren't they adorable? They're holding little flowers. Oh, of course, you know I had them do some little brown people, but you know I don't discriminate. And I got my little vanilla homie there as well. See, if you put it like that, it's like my relationship. Anyways, so those are cute, but I did do some projects where I actually put those on things. So at Hobby Lobby, they have these in their Valentine section. They have a pink one and then this red one, and it has like kiss, love, XOXO, and hugs. And so I utilized those, and I did like some little shaker cards. So this one here, I did one of the little envelopes. They also have like a bag of these little felt envelopes at Hobby Lobby as well. So I put them inside, and it says here, these are in acetate. And I had added some buttons galore sprinklets. Is that what it is? Yeah, sprinklets in there. And then I added my little gnome girl on there. So I think it's so cute. And then that's just like what the back looks like, so you can see in clearer detail what's on the inside. So we have that one, and then we have this one here where I have the hugs, and then I added the bow up top here. And this is also using the buttons galore sprinklets. This one comes with the lips and the envelopes, and then I just use like the sequins that you get from Hobby Lobby, like the Valentine mix they already have. So we have that one, and then this one says kiss, and again with the little sequins on the inside. And then here is another of the bow. So I took the smaller bow and then layered it on top of the little loopy style one. So there's that one. And then last but not least, we have XOXO. And then this one I added on to a clothespin, so it does come off, as well as the little gnome girl. And you can see And then these sequins are also from Buttons Galore. And I also added the hearts in there. So you can go ahead and move the little girl anywhere you want and then place the clothespin on there, or you can just take the little gnome off and just do it like that, or you can just have it off completely. You can put it somewhere else, but again, that is that bow as well. So I think these turned out so cute. I love these. I love how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoy what I've created as well. The dies did cut out really nicely. Sometimes if you do a little too much pressure, it'll come out too much. Like these holes here, they're supposed to be more of an embossed look and not actually come out. So it depends on like how much pressure your machine is going through, because it's supposed to give an embossed look. So these ones actually gave the embossed look. This one was too much pressure and it actually put the holes all the way through. So here's kind of a better example of that little hat there. But otherwise, like the detail and like the beard and everything, like everything did cut out really nicely. Same thing with the bows and stuff too. So I'll have the links to these down below in the description box. Don't forget to go ahead and check that out, and the discount code that I have for you as well to save 10% on your order. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.